I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blueberry kombucha. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: black or green tea, sugar, water, and a healthy SCOBY, which stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. This living culture is key to the fermentation process, transforming simple sweet tea into a delicious, fizzy drink. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a successful brew. For your first fermentation, start by brewing about 8 cups of strong tea. While it's hot, stir in 1 cup of sugar until fully dissolved. Let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature. Once cool, gently add your SCOBY and 2 cups of starter tea to a clean glass jar. Cover it with a breathable cloth and ferment for 7 to 10 days, ideally at 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, until it reaches your desired tanginess. Now for the exciting part, adding the blueberries. For your second fermentation, prepare about 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. You can lightly crush or puree them to release more flavor. Divide your first fermentation kombucha into clean, airtight bottles, adding a portion of the prepared blueberries to each. Seal the bottles and let them ferment for another 2 to 4 days at room temperature. This is where the magic of carbonation happens. Once your kombucha is fizzy and flavorful, it's time to strain out the blueberries and bottle it. Use clean, airtight bottles and fill them, leaving about 1 inch of head space. Immediately refrigerate your finished blueberry kombucha to slow down the fermentation process and preserve its delicious taste. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.